Okay, in this clip we're going to go ahead and implement the update method. Now we're going to want to do that with an upgrade script. So we're branching down our Acme projects down under our setup schema upgrade scripts. I'm just going to edit this one with Notepad, and what I'm just going to do is save as, increment the version, and Control A, clear it all out. Now we've got an empty one where I can put it. And we've got our Codesmith template that we used originally to generate stored procedures, and we didn't use them all in the beginning. I wasn't sure we were going to implement update, as I recall. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to grab the update script that was generated. And I'm going to paste it in here. And then I'm going to review it, okay? Because I don't necessarily want it to be exactly as it was generated. Like, for instance, when I'm updating a guest book, I'm never going to change the module GUID or module ID. That was set when we created it, and it will stay. And we also don't want to change the created date or change the IP address, since we captured that when the original user submitted the guest book. So if the editor or admin goes in there, we don't want to update those values. So all we really need is these. And then we just go ahead down, shrink this will fit, into our procedure, and we get rid of the stuff that we don't want either. Get rid of that extra comma. And that should do it for that procedure. Now similarly, back in our code, we had already generated this, we just had commented it out. And again, we've got to change it the same way. I don't want to pass in module GUID or module ID, and I don't want to change those. And I don't really want created date or created from IP address. So I'm going to chop those out here as well. And now we've got to correct our parameter count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 instead of 10. And we should probably do the same thing here in these comments. Just get rid of the ones we're not using. So now we've implemented it in the data layer. We'll go back to our repository, and it still complains because it's not got the right method signature, because we're, again, passing in too much stuff. And like that. And now we'll build the, we should build the UI project, not the data layer or business layer, because that doesn't cause the post build that we want. And there, this time it worked. Okay, I'm going to end that clip right here while we're on a success note, and we'll pick up in the next one.